Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 14 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. You can try to soft reset it, and all you have to do is to simply press the power button and the volume up button together and wait until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons and keep pressing. Of course we've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. Keep pressing both of those buttons. And we've got the black screen, which is a really good sign. Keep pressing. And I felt the vibration. We've got the developer's logo, which means that we just successfully soft reset our device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.